In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn off read receipts on Instagram step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Instagram. Launch the Instagram app on your Android or iPhone and make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Go to your messages. Tap the Messenger or Direct Messages icon in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Open the conversation. Select the chat where you want to turn off read receipts. Keep in mind that this setting is managed on a conversation basis, so you'll need to change it for each chat if needed. Step 4. Open the chat settings. Tap the person's name or the group name at the top of the conversation to open the chat settings. Step 5. Turn off read receipts. Scroll until you find the read receipts option. Tap the toggle to turn it off. Once disabled, people in that conversation won't see when you've read their messages. Likewise, you won't be able to see when they've read yours. Step 6. Repeat for other chats. If you want the setting in multiple conversations, repeat the same steps for each chat. Instagram currently doesn't offer a single switch to disable read receipts for every conversation at once. And that's it. Now you know how to turn off read receipts on Instagram in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other Instagram tutorials.